College of Contract Management in the UK, advancing your skills with a variety of professional courses. No borders, no IELTS restrictions. Visit uniccm.com. Thousands of professionals from around the world trust UniCCM to gain practical qualifications in construction, engineering, business, management, IT, and AI, all from the comfort of their home or office. Let's check out and see how easy and powerful online learning can be with UniCCM platform. On the homepage, you'll find a wide range of professional diplomas, CPD courses, chartership, degree programs, postgraduate and master's programs, each designed for flexibility and impact. Every course is delivered online via Moodle, giving you access to live lectures, recorded sessions, assignments and feedback anytime. Top of the website, you'll find the search bar, which allows you to quickly and easily find the course you're looking for. Simply begin typing a keyword, like master, and a list of suggestions will automatically appear below. This feature is especially helpful if you already know what topic or qualification you're looking for, or if you want to browse multiple options with similar keywords. When you press Enter or click the search icon, the page displays full search results that match your keyword. Each course result shows important details, such as the course title, number of modules, course type, and the full total price. You'll also see an Add to Cart button next to each course, allowing you to enrol directly from the search results page. By clicking the Filter by Category button, you can instantly sort courses by your area of interest. It allows you to narrow down courses by specific subject areas or fields. This helps users quickly find relevant courses based on their career goals or interests. On our platform, Popular Courses refers to the most in-demand programs chosen by professionals from around the world. These are the courses that have consistently attracted high enrolment, not just because of their relevance, but because they deliver real value in the workplace. Let's explore what you'll find when you click on a course tile from the Popular Courses section on our website. Here we are on the course detail page. At the top, you'll see the course title clearly displayed, along with the course type, level, and how many modules are listed under this course. Scroll down and you'll find the course induction section. This includes an introductory video designed to give you an overview of what to expect from the program. It's a great starting point to understand the structure and benefits of the course. On the right-hand side of the screen, you'll find pricing options. You can choose to pay the full course fee by clicking Add to Car button, or you can opt for a subscription plan with an initial sign-up fee. To learn more or to enrol, simply click Add to Cart. Here you can review your selected course before proceeding to payment. On the right side of the screen, you'll find the checkout form. Simply enter your details, your first name, your surname, your email address, and confirm it in the next field. Once that's done, just click the Checkout button to proceed with your enrolment. And that's it. The process is simple, secure, and user-friendly, designed to get you started with your learning journey as quickly as possible.